Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn off or restart our Samsung Galaxy phone without pressing the power button. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to turn off or restart your phone without pressing the power button, you can go to your quick setting panel. You can swipe down your screen like this, and you can swipe down one more time, and you just need to click on this icon. Then here you will get option to turn off your screen or turn off your phone or restart your phone. And actually, there is another way to turn off or restart our phone without the power button. You can use the assistant menu. So this is my assistant menu. We just need to click on the assistant menu and we can click on power off menu. Okay, and here you can turn off your phone or restart your phone. And if you haven't activated this assistant menu, you can go to your settings and you have to go to the accessibility setting. And here you need to select indirection and dexterity. And here you can activate the assistant menu. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off or restart our Samsung Galaxy phone without pressing the power button. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.